Flash 2 is the 5th generation of automatic titrators made by Steroglass. Designed to simplify and automate laboratory work, Flash 2 features an ultra-compact housing that allows placement anywhere. The color touchscreen display makes data clear and easy to read. Thanks to full automation, from sampling to titration, including degassing, analysis times are reduced by up to 90%. Flash 2, the highest level of precision and safety. Fully reproducible results, no margin for error, and no risk of contact with hazardous reagents. The integrated software simplifies data management, while the direct connection to PC, LIMS, and printers allows immediate export of results. The LED status indicator ensures full control of the instrument even from a distance. Flash 2 is available with various sampling systems to best adapt to any analysis requirement. A single instrument designed for multiple application sectors: enology, food, environment, chemistry. Flash 2, the evolution of automatic titration.